Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Nolila binti Zaman from Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah. Today I will present my innovations on topic digital padlock. This is my table of content: introduction, background of project, problem statement, project objective, description product, implementation, impact, and conclusions. I start my presentation with introductions. Introduction: security describe products, protection of life and property. The safety in the building is very important. Beside the traditional method door that use a key can be easily opened by not the authorized person if they have the right key. So by using our product, this will not allow them to steal the entire valuable things in the house. So background of my project is that digital security and automations are becoming more unavoidable nowadays since smart locks only provide access to authorized user. Smart locks are more secure and reliable when compared with existing traditional lock systems, since traditional lock can be bypassed easily with physical tools. Intruders are less likely to attempt a break-in if the security is already installed according to data. On the other hand, the potential of digital technology is to enhance student learning has been well established. Benefits include the enhanced diversity of provision, equity of access to the higher education, alongside the increase of efficiencies of delivery and personalizations of learning process, according to Michael Henderson 2017. The next is problem statement. Access to the school classroom is generally controlled with traditional mechanical locks. Apart from the inconvenience of borrowing and returning keys, traditional mechanical lock provide poor security due to a notable disadvantage. Keys are easily copied. If a student wants to open a classroom door lock, it also will make difficult for students to open the class and start the lessons. Security has become very important, but people also need a system that is not very expensive and can be customized to meet their needs. Conventional door lock can be easily opened, making people vulnerable to security threats. Safety is important in the terms of comfort and security in home, because a house is the place where people live and store valuable items. However, conventional keys that are widely used today are still vulnerable to break-in. Therefore, a reliable and qualified security system is needed to safeguard person home. The project objective for my innovation is to design and develop a digital padlock to help students in their daily life by using modern technology to identify user interest between digital padlock and traditional padlock. The product description using the ID model, which are analysis, design, implementation, evaluations, and also devolutions. So we start with the analysis. The project began with assessing the variable resources and reviewing potential ideas to enhance security and support student learning. The developments of a software based on digital padlock emerged the most suitable solution after carefully evaluations. The feasibility study has conducted to assess the current security system, effectiveness and satisfactions with traditional padlock. A questionnaire was developed to gain a deeper insight into the needs and frustrations of students and faculty, focusing on their experience with existing classroom locking methods. Design. At this stage, the final decisions has been made to develop a digital padlock. After learning about the problem, the design process began to create a padlock that address the issue. Brainstorming season were conducted to explore diverse perspectives and find innovation solution. Has the answer to the problem statement. A few features were chosen to be incorporated into the padlock. On key features is the app based on the access, allowing the padlock to be unlocked by the code through the software. Additionally, material quality has been improved. Regarding the design, the goal is for the product to have a realistic and sophisticated a surface as possible. Next is the design thinking step of development. The development stage encouraged the generation of a wide array of creative solutions. During the development, learning materials and assessment are created and plotted. In this stage, the process of creating digital padlock is complete. We have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and until step 20. So the padlock final product will be physical product, which have a Blink apps together with the Blink apps. The implementations, next ialah the implementation. The next stage of projects was implementation after completion. The digital padlock was distributed to the commerce student at Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah Polytechnic. The goal was to encourage early adoption of the product as it was through the provide instant value and improve student learning experiences. The final stage involved the evaluation and feedback gathering following the completion of digital padlock. We conduct a comprehensive evaluations gather user feedback by carefully consider their suggestions. We are able to identify areas of improvement and implement necessary modifications. Next is the evaluations. This interactive process ensure that the final product was not only functional but also user-friendly and aligned with the specific needs of our target audience. The impact of the product, the impact of digital padlock, the outcome of the study can be utilized to preventive and to create a safe environment for time-pressed students, especially when the student has face-to-face lecture. Digital padlock are renewable alternative to traditional padlock, including high-end technology, modern design, and a secured system that only polytechnic students can unlock. This can help preventive, which is rising of at Polytechnic Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah. The research result may also be utilized to comprehend why the consumer prefer digital padlock. As a conclusions, the implementation of digital padlock system that use software for unlocking classroom door in a polytechnic address key challenge related to the inefficiencies and secure risk of conventional padlock. By eliminating the needs for students to retrieve and return the physical key from the office, this solution enhances convenience, save time, and increase accountability. Not only that, this project will have a big change to go international. The system offer proof security digital through digital access control, reducing the chance of the unauthorized entry and lose the keys. It also fosters greater independency and professionalism among students, aligning with modern technology trend and preparing them for the real-world environment. Ultimate, the digital padlock system streamline access management, providing a more secure, efficient, and user-friendly solution for both student and staff. That's all from me today. Thank you.